Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a classic crochet V stitch. V stitches are wonderful stitches that you can use when you're wanting to work a project quickly. It's going to work up very quickly. As well, it's great for those lacy projects, for your shawls, for blankets, for crochet tops. It's such a versatile must-know crochet pattern. Today our V-stitches will be made with double crochet stitches. For your tutorial today, you're going to need a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook, as well as a little bit of yarn. I'm working with a worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks. You may also wish to follow along, and you can do so. Follow along with the pattern on richtexturescrochet.com, and it is linked directly in the description of this video. Also down in the description you'll find a direct link to my crochet books that are available on Amazon. I have 3 of them out now, one of which is Intermediate Crochet Stitches. So if you enjoy learning crochet stitches, you may want to give this book a look and a try. It has a collection of some of my favorites, and it's there for you to check out in the description. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. We're going to start by taking our yarn and making a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and your foundation chain today is going to be a multiple of 3 stitches plus 4. So today I'm going to go ahead and chain 25. There's 21, which is your multiple of 3 plus 4 more for a total of 25. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by working a double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So count in 5 chain stitches and work a double crochet. You're then going to chain 1 and work a double crochet back into the same stitch. I'm just going to move my yarn over there. So we have a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all worked into the same chain. You're then going to skip the next 2 chain stitches and into your next stitch work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet back into the same stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across. Skip the next 2 stitches, work a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet back into the same stitch. Repeat this all the way across until you have 2 stitches remaining. I am almost all the way across here, working my final double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. You will have 2 stitches remaining. You're going to finish off the row by skipping the next stitch and then working 1 final double crochet into that final chain stitch. This first row you may need to stretch out a little bit once you're finished to get the V's to be apparent, and you can see them here. Now at the end of row 1, you're going to chain 3, and this is going to count as a double crochet, and turn your work. Now for row 2, into your first chain 1 space, or into the next chain 1 space, so you have double crochet, chain 1 space. Into this chain 1 space, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. You're going to repeat that all the way across. Skip the next 2 double crochet and into your next chain 1 space, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Repeat this all the way across until you come back to your turning chain. I'm working this stitch here today in a solid color. If you wish, you may switch it up and work it in multiple colors. I'm working my final double crochet V-stitch. You'll then have that turning chain remaining. You're going to finish off your row 2 by working a double crochet just into the top of your turning chain. That brings you to the end of row 2. Chain 3 and turn your work. And now for the rest of the pattern, you're simply going to repeat your row 2, working double crochet V-stitches, which is the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the chain 1 spaces all the way across. When you come back to that turning chain, you're going to work a double crochet into the top of your turning chain, chain 3, turn your work, and that is it. That is all there is to working this classic crochet V-stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you once again to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.